going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and I've been MIA. I've been out of commission, guys, for a while. I broke my hand. I'm actually out of commission for about 7 weeks, so I'm gonna try my best to still get some content out related to the Rally Vic, aka the Hobo Cop. And you're gonna be seeing a lot of different people helping me do these installs along the way. In this case, actually, it's my birthday today, and in this case, as a birthday present, my wife, my lovely wife, is gonna help me install a high lift off-road jack. Now, like I said before, guys, the Hobo Cop is gonna be a rally car, and anybody who's ever been rallying before, you know you're gonna get stuck, especially if you crash into a ditch or if you get stuck in the mud, or for whatever the reason is. It always comes in handy to have yourself an off-road jack. Like I said, guys, this is called high lift. There it is right there. And compared to a conventional jack that you have to drag through the gravel, through the mud, all that, man, this thing is real easy. It actually mounts either in the trunk or the hood of your car. I'm going to do it in the trunk in this case. It's very convenient. This thing, anywhere you get stuck, you set it up, it lifts your car up. So in a situation, let's say you're on the woods, you're off the side to a ditch or something like that, all you got to do is set up your high lift jack and your car starts going upwards. But here's the best part about the high lift jack, guys. It also doubles as a poor man's winch. What you do is you lower your jack. This part right here, guys, you put your strap right here. That's gonna hook up either to the front of your bumper or the rear. This part right here, you get yourself a clamp, put it right on this side, and then you're gonna hook that part up to, you're actually gonna anchor that part to a tree, to something heavy that's not gonna move, and then it's gonna come in as a makeshift winch to get you out of any situation that you might be stuck in. Now, if you have one of these jacks, they're actually pretty long. It's really hard to store in your trunk anywhere else. A lot of people usually have them, like I said earlier, trunk or the hood, which is what this Alavente brackets here are going to come in handy. These will actually support our high lift jack, and we're going to be mounting this on the actual trunk. The way that I guided myself was pretty much on these child seat jack points right here. And on the other side, we aligned ourselves with that child seat. What is it? Anchor points. There we go. Child seat anchor points. So what we're gonna do first is actually install the mounting hardware that's gonna hold this heavy ass jack. How much do you think this thing weighs? Well, like
60 pounds.
60, 70 pounds. It's heavy as hell, guys. So without further ado, man, let's get right into it. Here we go. And just like that, guys, the high lift jack has been installed on the Hobo Cop. Not only does it look badass, but at the same time, it's very convenient to have a jack ready to go, especially if you're taking this thing off-road. And I want to show you guys something real quick. You can open your trunk. Look how far up it goes. You have full access to your trunk area and nothing. It doesn't interfere. It's perfect. The way that these mounts work is that they have a hole. As you guys can see, there's a hole right there. You've feed the stud that came through with it, that actually came supplied with the mounting hardware. You're gonna feed it through one of the holes, and then they supplied either wing nuts or actual regular nuts. I chose wing nuts. It was a lot easier to screw on. And you just feed it from the bottom, screw it through the top, and you do the same thing on this one as well. Feed it through the bottom, screw it through the top. Now I screwed this thing extra tight with a tool so that you need either Incredible Hulk hands or something like that to physically undo this without having tools. Besides that, I think I'm actually gonna rig up a way to lock this thing to the mounting hardware so nobody jacks this thing from the back of my trunk. But
had to lower it for me.
And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. A big thank you to the wife for helping me install the high lift jack. There's so many things I have to do to this car to get it fully rally ready. I'm talking about full suspension, roll cage, racing seats, racing steering wheel. It's gonna be crazy. That just means a crap ton more videos for you guys. Yeah, even with one of these. Either way, I'm gonna leave you guys with a couple of glamour shots. It's your boy, Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Take it easy.
Get racks every day, she fuck with me now. I told her to lay my hook in the water, she liking my bed. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cape. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. You sipping the Henny, I do need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to lay my hook in the water, she liking my bed. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cape. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. We sipping the Henny, I do need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. Counting blue hundreds always make my day. I slide on your block, I hop on my sleigh. I pray to God I make it home to the day. Cops tryna get me and lock me away.